Hello friends, is your car experiencing sudden stalling, rough idling, or strange electrical issues? If your obd2 scanner is showing code P0604, this means there's a problem with the RAM inside your car's PCM. A faulty PCM can disrupt engine performance and even prevent your car from starting. In this video, I'll explain what P0604 means, its symptoms, the exact sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0604? The P0604 code stands for Internal Control Module Random Access Memory RAM Error. The PCM acts like the car's brain, handling fuel injection, ignition timing, and transmission shifts. When the RAM inside the PCM fails, the system loses critical data, leading to unpredictable engine behavior. Common symptoms of P0604: check engine light turns on, engine stalls or refuses to start, erratic idling or misfires, loss of acceleration and poor throttle response, transmission, shifting issues, unresponsive dashboard electronics. If you're facing these issues, let's locate the key components. Sensor and component locations, where to find them. To diagnose P0604, you need to check these components. Powertrain Control Module, PCM. Location, usually found in the engine bay, mounted on the firewall, under the dashboard, or near the passenger side footwell. The PCM contains the RAM that stores temporary data for engine operation. PCM wiring and connectors location. The wiring harness runs from the PCM to multiple engine components. Corroded or damaged connections can trigger RAM errors. Battery and alternator location. The battery is in the engine bay, or trunk in some vehicles, and the alternator is near the engine. Voltage fluctuations can corrupt PCM memory. obd2 port for PCM diagnostics. Location, under the dashboard, near the driver's side. This is where you scan for errors and reprogram the PCM. Tip: if your car recently had a battery change, jump start, or electrical failure, these could be triggers for P0604. Common causes of P0604: 1. Faulty or failing PCM RAM memory inside the PCM can wear out over time. 2. Electrical surges or voltage spikes, unstable power supply can damage RAM. 3. Corrupted PCM software. A failed software update can cause memory errors. 4. Water damage or moisture in PCM wiring can short-circuit the module. 5. Loose or damaged PCM connectors. Poor connections can lead to data loss. How to fix P0604. Step 1. Scan the car using an obd2 scanner to confirm the P0604 code and check for related errors. Step 2. Inspect PCM wiring and connectors. Look for loose, corroded, or damaged connections. Step 3. Check battery and alternator output. The battery should be 12.6V plus when off, and 14V plus when running. Step 4. Reset the PCM. Disconnect the battery for 15-30 minutes, then reconnect and check if the error clears. Step 5. Update or reflash the PCM software. If the software is corrupted, a dealer or mechanic can reinstall it. Step 6. Replace the PCM if necessary. If the RAM is permanently damaged, the PCM must be replaced. Ignoring P0604 can lead to poor engine performance, transmission issues, and even total system failure. Fixing this error ensures your car runs smoothly and avoids costly repairs. For more troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0462. Fuel level sensor circuit low input. P0463. Fuel level sensor circuit high input. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.